So yes, on Saturday morning, I took a 3-kilometer walk to an informal settlement called Spruit. This area is only 3 kilometers from my place, and it has a different reality from our own lives. Spruit is effectively next to a dumping area, so navigating going to Spruit means actually navigating a dumping area, which is not really the ideal conditions for human development. It is an area full of life and activity and human potential. But the reality of life here is purely survival. The people who live here actually work for us. They work in our houses, in our gardens, in our businesses. But this is how they live. People live here. You will think they don't have a lot of complaints because they have accepted that life has to go on. It is not the ideal place to live, but people live nonetheless. This is a place of human survival and human potential. There is a local market every Saturday on this field. This is a place where all people meet for trade and exchanging ideas. It is a buzzing place in the afternoon. I visited in the morning, so they were still busy preparing the area for the afternoon traffic. Go tsamaya ke go bona. Once in a while, we must expose ourselves to these kind of environments. The aim is to see how other people live so that we can gain a better perspectives about our own lives and other people's lives. This also gives us an opportunity to gain a better appreciation for what we have. And just like that, I was out of Spruit into the main roads and heading to the R55 into the known. A lot of people do not know what's happening in Spruit, but I am hoping that my video will share some light into what's happening into the lives of our brothers and sisters who work in our gardens, in our houses, in our businesses. Aleboche Ramasedi. We give thanks to the Most High. Thank you, son.
Ciao, anche fittile con di high topo. Bona, che fittile con di high topo. Ciao. Otherwise, selfie at the top. 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 I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. Ciao.